Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to M2K Tutorials, and this is first video of the series of JavaScript basics. So we're gonna learn about the basic JavaScript in this series, and our first video is for JavaScript introduction. So for the introduction part, I'm just going to give you a brief intro for this that what is JavaScript and why we use it. Okay, so for this one, if you go in w3schools.com, I will also give you the link of this website in my description. And if you go and learn JavaScript, so from here you will see that it's saying that your JavaScript is saying JavaScript is the programming language of HTML and the web. So yeah, so JavaScript is a one language, but actually it's not programming language, it's a scripting language. But you get to know the difference in our in upcoming videos. Okay, so uh, basically what JavaScript do, JavaScript here is the deal. So this our Chrome or this browser or any browser is only understand your HTML, CSS and JavaScript, nothing else. Okay, so you can create your web page or your HTML pages, these using HTML and CSS, but make your elements interactive or make your website or web page dynamic, you need to use some language. In this case, in our case of browsers, this is JavaScript. So JavaScript make help you to make your elements, your browser web pages, to make elements interactive and dynamic. So what does it mean? So let's say this page is you are seeing, right? So all the things which you are seeing right now, these links and everything and all the text and everything, this is created in HTML and CSS. Okay, only using HTML and CSS you can create these things. So you don't need JavaScript for only just creating and everything and how it's looking. You don't need JavaScript to do that, right? But if you want to make things interactive, let's say I want to click on this home button, and clicking on this home button, there should some things should happen. It should be navigate to some other page, or also you can do some perform some action in, like you can show some alerts or anything, or you can change some color of this label or something like those interactive thing. If you want to those things happen, then you need to use JavaScript. Okay, so let me give you one example here that what JavaScript can do. This is very basic example. You don't need to understand each and everything that what is written in there, what syntax is there. We will learn more about these things in our upcoming videos. Okay, but for now I'm just giving you one example that how JavaScript work, the basic that how it's a basic fund of this, that how it's working, and um, how you can work with the JavaScript. Okay, so here there is this button. I click on the next and then I come to this page, and this try it yourself button you will see. Click on this. Okay, this will open one editor, and here you can see there is left section. So think of this left section is as your development code. Currently it's HTML. Okay, and there is some JavaScript here, this part. Okay, but you don't need to worry about these document.get element by and all those. We will be learning in our upcoming videos that what are those. But if you create this HTML file and if you run in browser, you will see this right section of screen you can see. So this will be your the rendered HTML file. Here you can see that this is JavaScript can change HTML content. This is here written here, and what can JavaScript, this is written here. Okay, but make things interactive, we have created one button. Okay, this button, and clicking on this button, I want that this thing, this thing should be changed to hello JavaScript. Okay, whatever is written JavaScript can change HTML content, it should be changed to um, HTML content. Okay, now so for this one here, if you see this paragraph tag, there is one tag, you can see as p tag or paragraph tag. Here there is one id given to identify, to get the reference of this element. Okay, so there is one id given and there is inner content. So there is some inner content is there. So using JavaScript, what I am doing in button on click method, this is on click event actually. So whenever I will be clicking, this will run this code. Okay, so here what we are doing, we are getting the reference of using this document.getElement by id demo is this id, we are getting the reference of this element. Okay, then we are changing this inner HTML property. When we will write inner HTML, it will get all the inner content of this element or this reference. Okay, so after getting this inner HTML, I am just assigning the new value. So currently it's JavaScript can change HTML content, and now I'm assigning to I'm assigning it hello JavaScript. So after clicking on this button, I should get hello JavaScript here. Okay, so let me click on this one. Now it's hello JavaScript. So this is one basic example. So here you can see that how JavaScript help you to make things interactive. There was only button which was coming, and now you clicking on this button, you are able to change your view. So JavaScript can help to change your view, it can make things interactive, and it also can do much more things which you will learn in our next videos and upcoming videos. So keep in tune in my channel, and if you like this video, please like, hit like button and subscribe my channel. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for joining.